finished up getting most of it cut out of here. We should be able to get a fence in, I think, or a gate rather. Got it linked up over here against the woven wire fence. There's a couple of posts laying there. We've got to figure out what we're going to do at this corner. It doesn't come all the way up to the woven wire, so we're probably going to have to put a post in there and then tie them two together. We've got this cluster over here of trees that really probably need to be cut out of there before we get the gate put in. And then I've graded this down here where I pulled a couple of trees out by the roots, and then we had to cut a couple of them off. This locust right here, I cut it off, and then we've got a cedar right next to it. It broke. Then I got another cedar over here that broke. And then we've got some real work ahead of us here. Looks like we had a big rain at one time come through with a lot of water and took out the sucker rod fence across the crossing. Looks like it ripped the threads right out of there, unless that was just a piece of pipe connecting that. It could have been just some pipe connecting it. Maybe it was intended to fail that way. I'm not sure. Anyway, the way things look is we've got to put this back together, and probably should put a swing gate in here so that it can just swing out of the way when we get a lot of water through here with logs and things that come with it. So anyway, we're ready. If we have to cut these 3, 4, 5 trees out of here, they're going to take no time to cut them out. And I can take them down and put them on that other cedar pile I got at the far end. This one here, we'll just use it as a rabbit habitat until it kind of fades away, and then I'll come along and pick it up and get it out of here. This cedar right here might have to come out. I mean, it's not in the fence line, it's on this side of the fence, but if we have to drive some posts in there, it's going to have to come out of the way.